Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We have another very interesting situation. This is the back of somebody's house. This is a cantilever deck that if you were just looking at it from the untrained eye viewpoint, you'd say, oh, there's a cantilever deck. But the problem with the way this whole deck was constructed, it's a little bit of a complicated situation, but there's a beam that runs across the whole back of the house, and this beam is cut off here. It actually extended across this whole opening, but it was all rotted. What's happened is water had leaked through this sheet metal pan that they had put up there when they originally constructed the house. This is really bad detail in a construction because it's just guaranteed to leak. It's just a matter of at what point. And it did leak all in here, rotted out all these structural members that are in here. And this beam is, removed because when it was opened up, it was nothing but all 100% rot. And what you've got is the problem is that this beam supports the whole back wall of the house. So what started out as a relatively minor leak has turned into a fairly major structural problem, and the house needs to be supported across the back. These are all kind of the floor joists, and a whole new beam needs to come in. These joists that are rotted out here, go back into the house. They need to be replaced and go all the way back into the house. It's kind of a hot mess, and this is, not uncommon, this significant of structural damage when it's kind of left to rot, no pun intended, and not taken care of. So when you have minor water leaks and you got cracks in stucco and you see water staining and things like that, you want to get on it, right? I mean, we see these jobs as contractors, and it's just amazing, these things that are left. And this, by the way, this didn't happen in 6 months. This probably happened over, the last decade, right? A little bit of a leak every year, whatever. And now it's a fairly major repair. So Golden Gate Enterprises, we specialize in these types of repairs. Dry rot structural repairs. We handle the plans, permits, engineering. You need somebody that is an expert in structure repairs, dry rot repair, and all of the related waterproofing and deck structures. And this ties in with a door system that's probably leaking up on the other upper side of the deck. So we're experts in all of this. Give us a call. You can find us at this phone number and this website, bayareacontractor.com. The company's Golden Gate Enterprises. We work throughout the entire San Francisco Bay Area, and we can help you out with your project. So if you want an experienced contractor to come in and take care of your situation, give us a call. Okay, so this is Paul at Golden Gate Enterprises. Thank you.